So I was going through your site, and it says that, there are so many tutors, you have hired who takes care of the academics part of the student. So now my question is, how you approach tutors and how you select them? What is the basic criteria of their selection?
So we are very, very careful with every single person we hire because, first of all, we have the team of ex-deans and directors of admission who are our counselors who counsel individual students and families. And then, of course, we have tutors who help with academic support and standardized test prep. So when we're hiring a counselor, we want to see that they have real admissions experience from the most selective universities. So they're coming directly out of those universities, and so when we get together as a team, we actually recreate the admissions committee experience. I only want the best minds, the most expert minds, and the most professional people to be looking at the work of the students. And we work in a collaborative manner when the students are going through the application process. So it's very difficult to find those counselors because we're very strict with our criteria. And we also, they not only have to have experience in admissions offices, they also have to have enough flexibility and adaptability to work with people from all over the globe. So collectively, our counselors speak about 11 languages, and they have to understand the nuances of the curricula and the communities and the schools where the students are coming from. Now for tutors, that's another division of our company, we need to make sure that we hire tutors with at least 5 years of tutoring experience under their belt. They need to have very wide exposure to whatever it is they're tutoring, whether it's an SAT, ACT, SAT subject test, advanced placement tests, IBs, a certain subject, let's say it's calculus or physics. They need to be experts in their area. So what we do is we put them through a training process, and because the other thing with tutors is you can't just have great knowledge of math. You might be a great mathematician, but it doesn't mean you're a great teacher of math, right? Because with a student, you have to be able to connect with the student, and you have to make it fun. You have to be entertaining. Because if you're boring and you just know the math yourself, there's a way of conveying the information. So a lot of what we do in our selection, we're very, very careful, is we make sure that our tutors and our counselors work well with students and parents, and all types of students and parents.